The focus of my research is on neuroblastoma, which is a childhood tumor of the peripheral nervous system. Despite many of the recent advances we've had in cancer research in the past decades, neuroblastoma patients who are in the high-risk pool still present with diseases that are difficult to treat, and there's a high mortality associated in this group of patients. So in the Look Lab at Dana-Farber, we are modeling diseases such as neuroblastoma in the zebrafish, which is a small tropical fish which has surprisingly similar genetics and organ systems to humans. We are using information that we see from patients to create faithful models of tumors in the fish that we can then study and use to potentially develop new therapeutics. Really, every pediatric cancer is considered an orphan disease because it affects such a small portion of the population, and the economic incentives aren't really there to encourage the types of innovations that we've seen in other cancers that have had high success rates with treatment. The additional fourth year is definitely a tremendous opportunity because as a scientist there's always a kind of trade-off between the work that you want to do to research cancer and then the work that you need to do to keep yourself funded and give yourself the resources to continue doing your research. Adding an extra year to the fellowship will actually allow us to concentrate more on developing new innovative approaches to curing cancer and worrying less about how to keep ourselves in business. There is sort of a funding shortfall when it comes to pediatric cancer research. Not a lot of money goes into it. It's a very small portion of the NCI's budget. So really private foundations like the Damon Runyon Cancer Research Foundation have done a lot.